stop. Wait, hold on. Yep, that's more like it. Sorry about that. Anyways, so you're probably wondering, why is he making a video when he hasn't uploaded in like, how long? 2 weeks, 1 week? Well, let me just say two things. First things first is that we'll go over that what I'm about to say in a second. First things first is thank you for the subscribers. You might, if I did upload or not, it went slow from 35 or 34, but now we're on 40 subscribers. Thank you so much. That's like a milestone a bit because it took time. 50 subscribers. We're gonna hopefully get there. 10 subscribers to get there, and then 100 subscribers next. I'm sorry if I haven't improved my lighting or anything. Maybe one day I'll go outside and do a nice vlog or something like that. Second thing is, I am so sorry for not uploading in a while. That being said, linking back to what I said first, thank you for subscribing regardless of whether I upload or not, because if I don't upload, then usually it would, people would unsubscribe. I don't know, maybe people will see my content. But anyway, so as you can tell, my very my popular my app that I always use, Wish, yeah, I usually get stuff, and I'm not sure if I told you this. I got AirPods. I ordered them. I didn't expect them to come today. I think this is it, and here's a package. And while I'm talking, I will explain it, because I don't want to just open this, because it's a little thing, and I'm not sure if you lot are going to be interested in this. I just want to open it while I'm talking in it. And another thing is that I don't know when next time I want to upload. Hopefully tomorrow. I don't want to say anything, because when I do something it goes wrong, right? And yeah, so I might upload tomorrow, seeing what happens. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. And if you want to see what I upload, if I do upload, and forgive me if I don't, and then stay tuned, and you'll be in some great content from me in the near future. This is it. It's in Chinese. Yep, and you go open it. It's simple packaging. Okay. That is pretty cool. Look. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my god. For how much were they? They were like £2 and altogether £4.25. It was worth it, man. I'm not even lying, it's worth it. This is worth it. I'm gonna give it a shot. But yeah, all I wanted to just say in this video, here's all the charging and all that kind of stuff. So it's actually got what's it called? It's got an Android charger. Yeah, that's what it is. It is not too bad. What do you say, guys? And that's not the reason why I wanted to make the video. That's not the main reason. But since this came, I decided why not. So yeah, sorry, but I kept taking like breaks. I kept stop talking because I was doing that. But anyway, so let me know what you want to see, and hopefully tomorrow I can make something come true. I say something and then it doesn't actually happen. Like either something goes wrong that makes me not go. It's probably me, because I'm always a lazy one, and I could never bother with anything. But hopefully this time I'll do it. And by the way, you know these AirPods that I got last time, the first one, I'm putting it on sale, and I think it's sold. I think someone's gonna get it now. It'll put it on stock. If anyone want it, then just ask me or not, because it's sold. But anyways, without further ado and much like clips added to it, I'm gonna say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for 40 subscribers. That's, for me, it's a milestone. The next milestone we can hit is 50, then we can go 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. Thank you. Love you guys. I'm gonna see you in the next video where hopefully I can upload and like if when I do upload, hopefully I can get more subscribers quickly as well. But I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for all your like support and stuff like that. And I don't really get much hate comments except some. I've had one or two, but that was when I first started. Now I want to say thank you for everything. Subscribe if you haven't already, and welcome to my channel, all the new people. Turn your notifications on, like, comment, and share. And as always, follow me on all my social media. Instagram is the main one that I use. But you can follow me on any other ones. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, I'll be able to make that happen. But anyways, yeah, peace out, guys.